Today, we're going to take a look at PNC Bank, who is a large regional bank and with a big mortgage presence, lots of retail loan officers, probably doing a lot of business, direct consumer business on their website. Website looks great. This is obviously the desktop version here. Not a whole lot to it, so they keep it simple, and they're using icons here to help navigate through some different products that they offer. We can go up here into personal products and services, and under the borrowing tab, you've got all of the different types of borrowing. So we're going to explore the home loan options here. We'll click on PNC Home HQ, and it takes us to this page here where it's more on the educational side. So they want to educate their customer base and about the different types of home loan options that they have. And we're going to first look at let's look at the home buying basics here. And that takes us to a landing page that is going to walk you through the benefits of cost home ownership, how much a home can you afford, what goes into that, calculating your mortgage payment. They've got some calculators here that they're using from a third-party service, and some different checklist options here. So again, good information to have. The big thing that we always want to look at is do they display rates on their website? So do they allow their customers to get some sort of a rate quote? And there is an option to take a look at rates. We'll go under the home buying process here. You can start your pre-approval, refinance here. So here we are. It's buried down here at the bottom, view calculators and check rates. So we're going to click on this link here, and it takes us to the mortgage refinance calculator page where you can toggle between purchase and refi. You can type in your loan amount, and then we can put in a zip code here and get rates. So it pulls through just a general idea of where rates are. So I'm assuming this is real time. They've got some tooltips here that give you some more information about what assumptions they're using. The assumptions and disclosures are here. So it looks like 80% LTV and different 30, 15, and 7-year ARM. And you've also got further products here, fixed rate, adjustable, and your government FHA, VA products. So they do a good job of displaying rates. It's not very easy to find on their website. So we would probably want them to make that a little bit clearer call to action in the hero section of the mortgage page, not so much towards the bottom. And that's always a bonus. So we would definitely give them kudos for displaying rates on the website. As far as the next thing is looking at the mortgage calculator. So the calculator is a little bit out of date. They don't, obviously, this is a plugin that they do not support. They're not building this calculator, but the things that we always want to show is the rate today's rate? Are they pulling through real rates on the mortgage calculator? That's definitely a technology that's out. We help our customers with is we build calculators where it pulls in real-time rates. It pulls in real-time mortgage insurance from your pricing engine. So that's always a nice tool to have on your website, where instead of it saying 5%, it should be the market rate of what they have available there. Closing cost estimates. So let's look at this. You can get an idea of what it cost you. But again, this doesn't look like they are pulling in their fees. They got a little bit of that here, but again, these aren't accurate. Pulled from looks like they're just default fees, not being pulled in as well there. So that's the experience on the home loan side. Let's take a look at for getting rates. Let's take a look at the application. So if we want to go ahead and start and make a formal application from PNC, they don't really make it easy. As you can see, here we are. There's no direct calls to action. Hey, I want to apply. I want to get a quote. We would always suggest that the design has something here in the hero section that makes it really easy to get started with the brand, which they don't really have. So here is where you can start your pre-approval. Very small call to action down here, halfway down the page, and it takes you through the checklist where we're going to have to click another button here. So let's say, hey, I want to start a digital application. And then that takes us to this page where now it looks like we're going to start the process, and click on no, we don't have a customer account, and then get started. And then here we go. So now we're going to be asked our information. So I would say it's a little bit clunky, their whole formal application. Make it more seamless. Got a lot of great services out there that can simplify your ability to present a digital application on your website. And they do a kind of an out-of-date, I would say this would be an out-of-date job of displaying how to get started really quickly on their bank website. So for PNC, all in all, they do a good job of design. I think their website is designed well. It's just they need some calls to action in the hero section to improve lead conversion. They do display rates, so that is great. Another big bank that's displaying rates. So the customers that our customer base are mortgage companies. Remember that the biggest lenders out there, they're displaying rates on your website, and it should be part of your initiative to get your live rates, to allow your customers to get quotes on your website, and Banking Bridge can help you do that. So that'll wrap up the website review for PNC Bank, and we'll be doing a new review here soon.